Let's look at the high price of safety. Of course, safety is important as you get older, if you're particularly risk averse as well. This is Scottish Widows Pension Portfolio 5. The problem is very often people have money put into this without them knowing exactly how much is in there or exactly what the performance is. It is not meant to be high performance. It is meant to be closer to a bank account, maybe a little bit better. As the fund itself says, the fund aims to provide high levels of capital security by actively investing almost exclusively in high quality short to medium term securities through other funds. Now, therein lies the problem, because you've got a bank account where you know what the interest rates are. That's one way in. The annualized performance of this is 3.2% over the last 5 years. My bank would have done a similar thing, and I would have not had to pay those kind of fees in any event to a high interest bank account. But let's put the bank to one side. What have they actually invested in? Of course, they have, and they're meant to invest in global fixed interest, UK fixed interest, money markets. All of that is fine. Short-term government treasuries, for instance, until maturity. All of that's fine. There's an issue that I have is the way it's been spread into so many tiny little holdings. Now, the problem with that is the more holdings there are, the more costs, the more spreads, bid and offer spreads, the more administration, just generally the more inefficiency. Like I said, I would far prefer a bank account. There is another problem alongside all of this, which comes into it, which is, as I said, the ease of just putting in a bank account. But the really big problem is you don't know how much of your capital has probably gone into this. You may well end up having a lot more in this than you ever anticipated. And if you're well aware, good luck to you. Most people don't. So they end up getting lower returns, not because the fund didn't do as it said, which is we're going to protect your capital, but because you had more in there than you ever realized, because you thought that they've spread it amongst quite a few. So have a double check, have a proper look before you do these things, okay? If you'd like a review of your pension, go to alpeshpatel.com. We'll do a free review. Give us a call as well. The call links are there. Or go to alpeshpatel.com/links. Both of those will help, okay?